What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this live cop video, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya, with the underscore at the end. Please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you enjoy this video by the end of it, hit me up with a thumbs up. All right, let's get into this video. Now, today is Thursday, which means there's a Supreme drop. Now, this is week 19 of Spring Summer 2018. Now, Supreme is releasing 4 different summer tees, and in saying that, this is probably the best week it's been for quite a while. These summer tees look pretty dope, and they're releasing in 4 different styles with various colors under those particular styles. And they are releasing the Mona Lisa, the Rocks t-shirt, the Ganesha t-shirt, and the Tentacles t-shirt. The most hyped item for this week is the Mona Lisa tee. Now, my objective today is to get a Mona Lisa tee. While everyone's probably going to go for that white tee in a size small, I'm going to go for a red Mona Lisa in a size small. Now, the retail price for these tees are $36. With shipping, that's about $46 total. Now, before getting into this live cop, I took a look at a layout for the EU, and I already know where this t-shirt is going to be placed. It's going to be placed in the 58th spot. So I'm going to get onto the website a little bit early, put my cursor on the 58th spot, and hopefully when the site turns over, I can cop the tee. And as you all are aware, I do not use bots at all. I just use a standard Google Chrome autofill. So it's about that time. There's about 10 minutes left. I'm gonna head downstairs to my office and hopefully I can cop this tee. As previously stated, I know that the placement of the shirt is gonna be in the 58th spot, and in counting that out, it looks like it's gonna be where the orange t-shirt is. So I'm just gonna hover my cursor over the orange t-shirt, and there's a couple minutes to this, so once it turns 10 o'clock Central Standard Time, I'm just gonna refresh the page. Now, I am working on the Mac, so you're gonna just hold Command and R to refresh the page. So the website's about to turn. Here it is, it's turned. Oh snap, it's under. Click the red, add to cart, small is default, checkout now, autofill, process payment. And I copped the tee. Alright guys, I stepped out of my office. As you can see, here's the stadium behind me. Let's talk. I just received my shipping confirmation from Supreme. You can see on the left or the right side of me that the t-shirt cost $36. Shipping and handling cost $10, so a total of $46. It was a successful cop. So now I'm actually gonna look on the Supreme community app and see what the sellout times were. So here we go, push the menu, hit times, hit US because that's all I care about, week 19. And it looks like the Mona Lisa t-shirt sold in 4.7 seconds, and that's the white size small. And the t-shirt that I was going for, the Mona Lisa red in a size small, sold out in 13.6 seconds, which isn't too fast, but hey. Alright guys, I think that's about it for this video. What did you cop for week 19, Spring Summer 2018? Was it a successful one? Was it a bad one? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and please hit that thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video. Alright guys, that's about it for now. I'll check you next time. Cheers.